Hello old chums, this is Harry. It's nice to see you guys here on this channel after a while of being absent. Today, I'm going to be reacting to YTP, phinIOS and Fjörd encounter road roller complications by our old chum, jack7m, who used one of our Minecraft 20th Century Fox logo builds in some of his YTPs. Too bad Disney changed the name. Anyway, before I get sidetracked, let's just start this reaction. Also, side note, but I don't believe phinIOS and Fjörd have shown on this YouTube channel, so this is a first. So, here we go. Also, it is apparent that there are currently no dislikes on this video so far, which is a good sign, so anybody who has seen it has liked it, so hopefully I do the same. Okay, well, noted. These are very good edits. Why do you have anime girls here? Aren't they a sign of bad luck? Oh boy, did I just get them.
Well, I'll put you in a trance, and let's party. Boogie in your body, want that body, make sure you don't hurt nobody. I say, hey, feel the fire with a burning desire, yeah. Get up off of that thing, dance, shake, and let's swing. Come on, let me rock the world.
Well, I don't know what that was, but these edits are kind of awesome, I won't lie. Shall we proceed?
So, Ferb, what do you want to do today?
Just passing time watching this.
What about Perry? What does he want to do?
Did the credits just fall onto his head? OMG, I was not expecting these type of edits. What happens to his face? That was crazy.
Well, he's a pussy.
Oh,
They
look
don't
at
do
that.
much. I, for one, am starting to get bored, and boredom is something up me, with
Good
which I will not
sentence
put.
mixing. Probably best thing is, did he just disappear? OMG, he has Perry's mouth. Oh, look, it's
right?
Cap.
You did tell them
Same
I'm in
old
charge. Relax,
canned
can't-
eggs,
nobody has
always
to be in
wanting to
charge.
be
But
in
what if there's an
charge in case
emergency?
anything
Like what?
stupid
What if,
happens.
like what? Like what if a roller crashes into the house? If that
Really?
happens, you're in charge.
Smiling mouths replaced her
Mom
eyes?
says I'm charged.
Oh, hey,
Whatever.
Mr. Zucchini
Wait a
King.
minute.
Another side note. While I was never included in Ghost of the Past, I will say that I am proud of him and all who helped defeat the terrorist juicers. Those four would give you nightmares for real. Anyway,
A minute. Well,
what
I'm
happens to
watching
her
you.
eyes?
And I'm in charge.
That door!
Was that more anime? OMG, the letter
Hello?
P L L. Who's
Hi,
calling?
Stacy. What do you mean you could see it from your house? See what?
She looks insane. What is that? That's
Phineas,
gigantic.
What is this?
Tartarus? Is that where Cozy Glow was taken for her actions?
Well, I'm gonna go tell Mom you are down. See, do.
Well, I never knew they had Down
Hey,
syndrome.
Phineas. Hey,
But
Ferb.
best not to make fun of it.
Does your stepbrother ever talk?
Ferb? He's more of a man of action.
Okay, I'll see you later then.
A sub is
What is Barry
$5.
watching?
At maximum, in whatever your currency is, it's maybe $10. And it doesn't matter how broke you are. If you have time to watch Twitch, you have $10. Truly. If you don't have $10,
What's with his hat?
Mom, you gotta come home right now.
Did a roller crash into the house?
Fast.
Really? I saw no road roller. Might need to change the music to avoid copyright complications. This will do.
To fasten,
was
insert
that
the tab into the
screaming?
metal buckle. To release, just pull back on the... Oops. Well,
R.I.P.
you get the
buckle
picture.
and it exploded.
Well, that's about
LOL.
it. Enjoy the ride.
What's going on?
Made in heaven!
What did they die? That's a creepy face.
they were here. Are you happy now, Candace?
That's just
Yes.
sad.
See,
They were
Mom?
so
I
young.
told you they weren't dead.
Who is that?
Mom!
Really?
A roller
All I
crashed
saw
into the
was a
house.
gigantic robot.
Mom!
A woman sitting next to
Looks like Dr. Doofine Smurf's
a
got
woman
the
setting
charm X fever.
a woman setting I can't speak.
LOL.
In
What is that, a
respect,
CGI
hentai is a
anime?
cultural artifact,
That's
and it
weird.
should be protected, and it must be discussed.
What now? Oh, is it? Okay then. Well, folks, this was actually pretty good. I hope you don't mind, but since CharmX has a lot of reactions to go through, we will temporarily taking his place in the meantime. No rating necessary here. So, that includes my reaction. See you guys very soon, bye.
Friendship is magic. Squidward.